Hey guys, it's Kaiwan from Kaiwan Production. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm back with another brand new video. Since the last video I made, it was like around 10 days ago, and obviously I cannot thank you enough for all the support I got from that video. It's insane. I think it has like over 80,000 views in the meantime. So hopefully I'm gonna keep making this series called how to edit and maybe shoot like a certain artist. And actually you can help me with that. You can go ahead, comment down below which is your favorite artist so I can make a special video about it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just cut to the chase and let me enlighten you with a website called Colorize SG. Now, what is Colorize SG? Now, this website is very special, and honestly when I found out about it, I was like, I should make a video about it. And obviously they didn't pay me to do this. So I just want to share it because I think it will be really helpful for most of you guys. For example, let's say I have an old photo of my grandpa, it's black and white, and I want to colorize it and bring that photo to life. So how to do that? Usually if you go to Photoshop, it takes like around 2 hours and a long process to colorize and match the colors and blend the color together. But this website will do that within under 1 minute. And that's insane, right? So hey guys, so if you're lazy like me, obviously you need this website, and it's totally for free. You don't pay anything, you just put your photo, it will do the whole thing. The whole thing is on them. So before we jump into the screen of my laptop and show you the process and how you do it, I want to plug my newest released pack, which contain all the pack, the whole shop, and for a very decent price. You can get over 200 Photoshop and Lightroom preset, over 100 overlays to enhance your photos in a professional way, and many loss-free videos to use them in Adobe Premiere, and not only Adobe Premiere, also in Photoshop. So hey guys, check out the link below. It will be the first line in the description. The second line will be the website itself. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get in. Alright guys, so this is the interface of this website by the name of Colorize SG. As you can see, this is a black and white transformation. You know, it shows you the result with literally one click. So guys, let's see if this is actually real. So let's go ahead and click on try it for yourself. And then I have an old photo. I have an old classic photo of two grandparents, and I'm just gonna, you know, upload it here. So we're gonna wait for a while. I think it's less than 30 seconds, and you have the image ready, colorized, amazingly done. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the result that we got. So this was the image that I uploaded, and this is the result after colorizing it. And honestly, I'm really impressed. I really wonder how they did it with, you know, with making, how they know this is, you know, green tree, how they notice that the sky is brown, or like the skin tone. It's really impressive to see. Like, it's like automatic, it's not like manual editing. So it's really impressive, and I highly recommend this website for all of these people who has a lot of old photos, black and white, and they want to bring their photos back to life and colorize it. So yeah guys, this is it for today, and you can actually download the result, and you can download the comparison too. You can color a new photo. It's really simple. And yeah, so I thought it would be amazing if I shared this with you guys, and it might be helpful. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video, guys.